As the team of Narcotics Control Bureau from Delhi is in Mumbai, they'd be going further and looking again at the Cordelia Cruise drug bust case. The DDG NCB, who's looking after the vigilance team, Jnaneshwar Singh, has already landed in Mumbai, from where he went and checked the parade location. Now, this parade location that we're talking about is the same location which the independent witness Prabhakar Sel said was the spot where Sam D'Souza, KP Gosavi and Pooja Dadlani met. This location holds a prominence because at this location, according to Prabhakar Sel, all these two people had met Pooja Dadlani and the extortion of rupees 18 crore was to take place at that particular location.
हमारी विजिलेंस टीम दूसरी बार मुंबई इस जांच के सिलसिले में आई है। आप लोगों ने देखा, हम लोगों ने विभिन्न घटना स्थलों का निरीक्षण किया जो कि जांच के लिए आवश्यक है, क्योंकि जांच की सारी कड़ियां जोड़ने के लिए घटना स्थल से जुड़ी हुई जानकारी और उसकी ज्योग्राफी हमें एविडेंस को लिंक करने में आसानी होगी।
Now the team which has visited there has taken a stock of the situation. They'll be examining the CCTV footages from that location and going further with their investigation. The second spot for the NCB Delhi team is the cruise terminal, wherein the NCB team will be going back on the Cordelia cruise. They would examine all the CCTV footages at that particular spot and also cross-check all the Panchnama. Now, importance of recording this Panchnama and checking CCTV footage is to understand how the NCB team conducted operations on that night. Later in the day, Prabhakar Sel, the independent witness whom we are talking about, will present himself before the NCB team at CRPF mess. Questioning would take place of Prabhakar Sel. His statement would also be recorded because his statement holds primary importance in this entire Cordelia extortion case, because he was the one who had spilled beans on the fact that it was Sameer Wankere on whose instructions KP Gosavi and Sam D'Souza were working.
आज इस निरीक्षण के बाद हम लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि प्रभाकर सैल अपना स्टेटमेंट देने के लिए आएंगे और हमें उनकी प्रतीक्षा है। वो एक हमारे मटीरियल विटनेस हैं, तो उनके आने के बाद जांच आगे बढ़ेगी।
The Prabhakar Sel's role becomes important because he's already recorded his statement with the Mumbai police, wherein he has presented himself before the Mumbai SIT, because Mumbai police SIT is also investigating this case on a parallel front, where we see SRK's manager Pooja Dadlani has also been summoned by the Mumbai police's SIT. So now there have been rapid developments which have taken place in this case, because parallelly there was another team from Delhi, a 12-member team with the head Sanjay Singh, who were also in Mumbai over the weekend. They also went and visited the Cordelia cruise, and after that they've already flown to Delhi yesterday night. This is the line of investigation that the NCB is looking at currently and going further for the next 3 days. That is until November 12th. The NCB vigilance team would be in Mumbai and examining all the aspects of the case, because they are also planning to get KP Gosavi, who is currently in the custody of Pune police, to record his statement, as his statement becomes of primary importance. In fact, KP Gosavi's role and that of Manish Bhanushali was questioned by the NCP leader Nawab Malik in the larger cruise drug bust case, and that's where the entire story started from, about allegations being raised against the NCB officials by the NCP politicians.